Okay, it's recording.
Oh yeah, here's the Bitsmores in the house.
Yeah, hello all YouTubers out there, Canada, everywhere in the world.
Kind of like that.
And I got Narcy.
Yeah.
I was riding my helicopter, but it's dead.
Oh my!
I know it's pretty dangerous to fly in this room because once I was flying,
It is.
and technically it's a chandelier. So yeah, and I'm pretty ticked it's gonna fall someday. I'm just gonna put this on the table over here. Sorry, I went out the frame.
Oh yeah, and here's the tornado maker.
Yeah, I put some shapes in.
Yeah, I know.
It makes noises.
Yeah, very loud noises. You hear us, YouTubers? Hello.
See how those circles are spinning?
Yeah, it's starting a tornado.
Yeah, okay. Put it on the ground.
Put it back here. Put it back here. Smell like it?
Yeah, it's good.
So, if you guys